Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video with me, Dian Ananda F. In this video, I'll show you a tutorial how to make minimalistic vector avatar portrait like this using smartphone. First, we need to download the application. The name is Minimalist. You can download in Play Store or you can click the link in this video description below. And if you have downloaded and installed the application, so let's go on the video runway. Okay guys, now we have in the application Infinite Design. Let's make new project. Tap new. First, you can bring the name for your project. Next, you can set the canvas size into 1000 x 1000. For background color, we can set into white and then click create. Okay, next we will import the photo or picture that we will make into avatar. Click icon 3 dots in the corner, click import, choose gallery and select your photo and click trace. Fit the photo to your canvas. Change the opacity into full and checklist. Okay, next step, we will make the line art. Make new layer and rename the layer into line art. Okay, in here I'll use pen tool. Click tool menu, click pen and set the brush into ballpoint pen. For the color, in here I choose from my palette. You can download the palette in video description and choose the black color. Okay, we start make the line art from the hair. You just tap to make the line like this. You just follow the pattern from the photo. To make it easier to trace, turn on the display outlines. Okay, you just follow the pattern. If you want to make a pointed corner, you just tap one times in the dots like this. Okay, checklist. And now I'll speed up the video. To connect the line, click this icon. Next, we make the part nose, A and eyebrow, but we change the brush into lasso. Okay. I think in this part is more hard, so you must often practice. Okay, now we have made all the line art. Like this, guys. Next step, we bring the color, tap the second layer, and rename to color. Okay. For the skin, I choose this color and fill the color just like this. You just follow the line art. And next, the hair color. So you just follow the line art, guys. Okay guys, after we coloring all the part, the result will be like this. Before we export the image, we can change the color background. Okay. And if you want to export, click three dots in the corner, click export and save. Okay guys, that's all my tutorial how to make minimalistic vector avatar portrait. And if you have any question, you can comment below. And if you have make your vector portrait, you can upload in Instagram and tag my account @AnandaVOG. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.